So in this particular course, what we are going to see in today's demo is what is Python, what is the relevance of Python, what are the different areas where it has been used, how we are going to get a benefit in learning such a programming language. So to begin with, when you're going to get a skill set on Python, why is the first question. Python is extremely used as a high level programming language. It is open source in nature. It also has a lot of libraries which helps in both object oriented and functional programming. We can define our own procedural styles while implementing the business logic. We will be also seeing how to relate to a real world scenario, represent objects, then do the business manipulations with the particular language when we code. So typically, if you look at Python, it's a dynamic type system. It has its own automatic memory management. And as I said before, there is a standard library of files which you can reuse. So you need not reinvent anything. Since it was open source, a lot of libraries have been written by the open source community, the developer community, and you can just import and use it in your program. So if you look at the official repository, it has more than 38,000 packages, right from a Hello World program to a standard real-time application which is being used by NASA. So the range of functionality is very high for Python. So who are the intended audience? It can be application programmers, automation engineers, testers, system administrators, or any user who is going to understand what is the context of usage of Python, how to build an application, how to write program using Python. So you can also work in the Unix or Windows NT. You can be a power user, you can be a programmer, you can be a developer. All intended audience can learn Python. Now, if you have some understanding of Unix or Windows, basically, it would help you. If you know any other programming language, maybe like C or Basic or any programming construct, it would help. If not, we will go through that steps as additional assignments for your understanding as well. So the course is structured in a detailed fashion, okay, where we are going to make sure that once you learn Python, you would change your profile for showcasing it to clients and ensuring that you have the skill set of developing projects with Python. Now, why do we go for Python? Because as I said, it is open source. There's a lot of cost saving when it comes to client projects. Python has a very relatively few keywords, symbol structure, and it's related to English language. We can use those terms, and within a short period of time, you can master it. Python comes with a large collection of pre-built and standard libraries. Okay, there are 20,000 standard modules and additional another 18,000, which makes the 38,000 modules which you can use across platforms. When I say cross platform, it can be across Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac, everything. You can also add low level modules with the Python interpreter. Interpretation is a process in which line by line execution happens, and you can develop your own customized application with it. There is a framework called as Django, okay, which is one of the famous Python framework available. There are other micro and macro frameworks which are available, which we will discuss as well. Now, with the framework, you will be able to pull and build code very smoothly. Let's understand who uses Python. Hope you know Google. Google makes extensive uses of its Python in the web search system. So if you look at the Google screen, when you key in anything over the search bar, it is actually running in the Python in the background, and it's very, very fast. So you know something, the Python's creator, Guido van Rossum, is now employed at Google, who is the developer of Python. So he has used the same for the search engine over there. The YouTube video sharing service is completely written in Python. Disney uses Python for animation and its creative development. Mozilla uses Python for code base, open source package releases, etc. Dropbox, which is a file sharing service, which has been built on Amazon and now they operate, is built again on Python. So Guido van Rossum is also co-member of Dropbox development. The popular BitTorrent peer-to-peer file system is written using Python. Intel, Cisco, HP, Seagate, Qualcomm, all of them uses Python for hardware testing. JP Morgan, UBS, Getco, Citadel, they all use Python for financial market forecasting. The NASA, National American Space Agency, Los Alamos, JPL, they use Python for scientific programming tasks. So as I said before, right from a search to NASA is completely written and used by Python. Then iRobot uses Python for commercial robotic vacuum cleaners. NSA uses it for cryptography and intelligence analysis. There are a variety of options where Python is being used. I hope you are understanding this. Now, question normally when you attend such a demo is, can I learn Python if I'm not from a programming background? Yes is the answer. How? Anybody can learn Python. If you're from networking, administration, manual testing, support, or a fresher, even if you don't know C or C++, you can actually catch up with Python because of its English usage. So what is the job trend in Python? This is the next question which you might think. As per the Indeed.com, percentage of Python is 700 times more than its peer languages. When I say peer languages, it comes with Java, Ruby, PHP. Who can learn Python? Anyone. As I said before, it can be automation engineer, data analyst, data scientist, web developer, networking professional, software developers basically. Hadoop programmers, desktop application and robotics engineers, hardware developers, all of them will be using Python. So if you're going to build a skill set around this, you will be able to manage it more efficiently. Let's look at the syllabus of Python programming. So we are going in 3 phases. We'll get started with basics, then to intermediate, then to advanced. So we'll ensure that we'll start with scratch. Okay, we will start from scratch and we'll learn the basics. Then we will move ahead next step with constructs and into the intermediate and then to the advanced level. So in the basics, we will cover introduction to the Python world, variables, data types, conditional statements, loops, control structures, functions, modules, packages, classes, objects, file and exception handling. Then getting started with libraries. This is the basic which we'll be covering. Then we have the intermediate with operating systems, NumPy arrays, working with pandas, data loading, storage, file formatting, regular expression, then the database access, multi-threaded programming, etc. Then in advanced, we will go with the hands-on assessment and live example where we will look at real-time scenarios, how to work in real-time projects. We will also, in addition, give the resume preparation with a sample resume. We will give 2 proof of concepts with data set for you can practice it for your interview. In 2 months training, we are going to provide all the notes per day, per week. There will be assessment which will be taken. There will be knowledge check after each of the phases. So there will be a hands-on oriented session. Each of the topic would be done with hands-on so that you will see the demo, you will try it out and you will get back with questions. We also have assignments which are given on the weekdays for you to practice so that you can complete and join on time whenever it is needed. So in advanced scripting using Python, as I said before, there can be Python for machine learning or Python for web development. So once you cover the basics and intermediate, okay, we will go for the advanced Python scripting, or it can be based on one of the areas either on machine learning or on web development. So we will be looking at projects and assignments on each of these hours. The total hours is the summation of hours which you will be spending enough for starting with Python. As I said, the projects included 2 for each subject with total 2 into 3, 6 basic, intermediate and advanced. Assignments 30 plus each, totally covering 90. There will be 3 POCs out of which 2 you have to complete and submit. We will also discuss on the job oriented scenarios, interview preparation and mock test which is additionally given towards the end of Python. So this is the growth indicator over the years 2010 across Python, Java, Ruby, and PHP. You can see Python is having a standard growth over the years. It is futuristically given for 2010-30. Java is at a steady state. Ruby is losing its popular demand. PHP also similar trend. But if you can see Python, it is on a constant incremental fashion. This is a growth indicator published by Gartner. You can actually check it out as well. Ideally, we have come to the end of our discussion.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Sir, ये सिर्फ weekend basis है क्या sir?
That we will have to decide on the availability of the batch people.
Okay.
Sir, we will stick with the institute. Yeah.
Regular basis के लिए apply करना था इसलिए. ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay.
Yes. Because it will be there for 5 days in a week. Okay, so in that case, if you are attending for 5 days in a week from Monday to Friday, then assignments will be there for Saturday, Sunday. The other way around for the Saturday, Sunday people who will be joining, more hours on weekend, but less hours on 5 days. But the assignments will be given alternatively.
ओके सर. ये सर ये कोर्स का ड्यूरेशन कितना है सर? टाइमिंग
40 hours.
नहीं सर, 40 hours नहीं सर, इतना 2 months 3 months ऐसा.
Okay, it is for 2 months.
2 months. Okay.
Actually, if you are planning for immediate interview or something, we will discuss that.
Okay. ठीक है. Thank you.
Okay.
सर आपका नाम?
Vishnu.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, it was Vikas. Fine, Vikas. Yeah. Gautam?
Any questions? Where are you from?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. We can get it our language person as a trainer.
I am basically from Kerala.
Yeah.
So yeah. So in case of any questions or something, mostly we converse in English because we will have different folks from joining in. I'll try to put you in different batches in that case.
Because of I am in Bangalore. I am studying Bangalore, but I done some courses in Bangalore also. Is there that also online? But I didn't understand properly everything.
Okay. Fine, Gautam. I understand the difficulty. Yeah. We will discuss that. Not a problem. I think same is case with Angel, Prachi, Preeta. Any questions? Dinesh, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I just want to hear from Preeta. Preeta Raju.
Yes, sir. I want to know, sir, as you informed that in the final session, there will be training for web development or machine learning.
Correct. Yes.
Actually, I didn't get that idea. Can you explain it?
So it is like you will be learning Python basics, intermediate and advanced. In advanced, you will get an option either to go for Python web development or Python machine learning. That will be additional 40 hours. So I will orient you to make sure that you will be going for such high advanced Python as well. So in Python programming, you will learn basics, intermediate, and last part will be advanced. Beyond advanced, there is something called a specialty. Specialty is the one which is dealing with the machine learning.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure.
Then one more thing, sir. In a weekend classes, how long it will be each day?
If it is weekend, it will be 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It depends. We can plan it. I normally take it for 2 hours, but we will have a buffer of 15 to 20 minutes here and there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any preferred timing, Preeta?
After 7 o'clock, until I prefer.
Okay, sure.
Thank
Fine.
you.
Yeah, I'll ask the organizer from Radical to take your preferences, and then we will let you know the batch details. As I understand, there are people who would be preferring weekdays and weekends as well. Okay. Um,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Prachi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, what is your preference?
No, sir.
Weekday or
Nothing.
weekend?
No, weekend. Sorry,
Okay,
weekend.
weekend. Okay.
कुछ भी चलेगा.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I understood. Angel, can you unmute once and see if you're able to hear, speak?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah,
Am I
hi.
audible?
Yes, Angel, you're audible.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, actually, I wanted to learn more about automation scripting, and I just joined this demo class to know whether something.
Yeah,
Um,
automation and scripting will be taken in the third module of advanced. So basic, intermediate, and advanced is there in the course. It will be taken.
yeah, but I'm looking something into. Actually, I'm currently employed, and I wanted to change my domain. I'm working with mainframes now.
Oh, okay.
So I wanted to change my domain and I got a job offer, but for that I need to be an expert or intermediate level on automation scripting with PowerShell, Python, and shell scripting. So I
Okay,
was looking into
shell
that.
scripting in Python we can cover, not a problem, because I can train you on that. PowerShell will be totally different because it will be on Windows environment directly. The other two we can cover, not a problem.
So in this course, shell scripting is also covered, like in
Yes,
automation level.
yes, it will be covered in automation because that is how you will be running scripts. You will learn.
In Python.
Yes, in Python.
Okay. So I will be able to get trained on automation using shell scripting also in this course, right?
Correct. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
And
Um, uh,
preference weekday or weekend?
yeah, it's okay. Preference.
Weekend.
Actually, I'm
Weekend.
okay with weekdays and weekends. Time also, I'm okay with it.
Okay, fine. So I'll just pass this information. You can you will get a call from the institute, all of you. Okay, so you can share your preferences. Uh, you can either prefer weekends or weekdays. If you're fine with both, you can tell that also. Accordingly, we will plan for the batch, and we will let you know.
Okay.
Okay, is that clear for everyone? Vikas, Preeta, Prachi, Gautam,
Yes,
Dinesh.
sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, fine then. That's it for the demo for today. You can share your preferences and we will plan accordingly, and then probably we will get started in the coming week. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Any other questions, anyone?
Mm,
Excuse me, sir. As a basic learner of Python, what kind of job will be available after getting the training of this?
Okay, so automation engineer is one role. Okay, then you will have the software developer role. Okay, then as I was sharing earlier in that presentation, there was three profiles which who would be looking for Python. I hope you saw that. Let tell you. Data analyst with Python, web developer with Python, software developer on Python, automation engineer on Python. These are the roles which you can apply. As I said, we will also help you in putting up this in your resume, and also we'll be having a interview which is being scheduled towards the end. We will help you in preparation as well.
sir, I have a question.
Yes, Angel.
Yeah, after completing this course, I will be able to do my own scripting, real life automation
Yes,
scenarios using
yes.
Unix and Python, right?
Correct, yes. Because you will be doing hands-on. Today I've just presented a presentation PPT. But in the actual session, there will be demos with code which is being developed from my end, and I'll give you the requirement. You will do it and you will submit it back. I will evaluate and I'll share the comments also with each one of you.
Yeah, okay. And if we have any doubt, you will clear it, right? Like
Yes,
one to
yes,
one person if there is a
correct.
doubt.
Yes.
Yeah,
There will be
okay. Thank you.
two things which we will do. We will be sharing the email ID for any one-to-one communication. Plus, for the group in the batch, we will create a Hangout, Google Hangout, and you will be posting your queries. It can be common queries. Even individual can post it. If you're posting in the morning, at least by afternoon or evening, according to my calendar availability, I will reply to it. All your queries will be handled. It will be addressed.
Okay. One more question, sir. Certification will be provided after completing the course?
Yes, yes, there will be a completion certificate which will be issued.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Please share your preferences, weekday or weekend, and we will plan the batch accordingly. Fine. Thanks, everyone.